Hello everyone, I'm back again. This is Aliyah once again, YouTube channel. So last time, if you are following this video, I showed you this as the intestine or the bitukang manok of Korea. Actually, this is heading to a temple. So this is the part where we arrive at the parking lot, and from the parking lot we will have our short walk across to the bridge going to the temple. So this is the beautiful bridge that is divided by very cool water. So upon entering, I showed you some of these photo shots that we had, and I hope that you're gonna enjoy my video for today. Yes, so for today's video, I am going to show to you the 4 instruments performance, which is called the Dharma sound for liberation. This is a ritual in the temple where a monk would play 4 instruments that represents the living all the living creatures and spirits in the entire universe. So they have among the 4 instruments are the drum, the big drum, the small drum, the big gong, and the small gong. So for this, the big gong that they are using is called the bomjong, which is the instrument that wake up all those living on earth. The big gong is called the bokgo, which is awakening those that are residing in the heaven and hell. And the small drum that they use is called the mokkeo, which is the instrument percussion that is awakening those that belongs to the water world, the rivers and the seas. And the last instrument percussion that they are using is the fish gong that is called unpan, and that is awakening for those that are in the sky. So here the monk is already starting doing the instrument. This instrument is what they call the samul nori, or the 4 instrument ensemble. This is the most famous Korean traditional musical performance that is often said to derive from the Buddhist paradigm, which is comprised of the 4 percussion instruments. And these 4 instruments represent, as I've mentioned to you, different paradigms: the water, the sky, the earth, the heaven, and hell. Okay, so I hope that you will be blessed for this video that I prepared for you. Enjoy, everyone. God bless. What is this? Some kind of prayer? see. It's like massage. 성현아. It's back. Oh, 성현아, that's what you're waiting. Stand up. It's 5 o'clock. 잠깐만.
너 내일 학교 가지? 너 내일 학교 안 가? 당연히 가지. 너 누가 먹으냐? 근데 왜 그래? 너는 다른 당신이 거기에서 수업 안 해?
I am recording. 10 minutes.
너는 이거야. 뭐라고? 너의 놀려 그렸다. 근데 놀렸잖아.
Cut. Okay. The end. So that is for the performance, guys, of what it is to be a Buddhist, and I hope that you enjoy this video. So before that, we rode back home. We dropped by the souvenir shop of the temple, and yes, that's it, our thing for today.